Today we're doing a Walmart challenge. I got my family with me. Thomas is at home because he won the last challenge, so we're gonna be picking out his item for him.
Perfect.
So today we're gonna be picking some items out. We're gonna customize them at home and we're gonna let y'all judge. We might pick a subscriber, Instagram, we'll see what happens, but stay tuned. Let's go find some items.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me to eat it. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet.
So I had no idea what I wanted to do for my customized item, but as soon as we walked in, it hit me.
I want to start at like accessories and stuff.
All right guys, so for this challenge, we can only spend $15 a piece. So is that an option right there?
Yeah, I just don't want to have to walk all the way back over here.
I understand.
That's terrible.
So I was thinking about doing shoes, of course. I might not do it though. I'm gonna switch it up.
Do your followers know that I am expecting
No,
a child?
not yet.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
they could after this.
I think I'm gonna dial them up with a fresh new onesie. Let's do a pack of those.
Okay. What, bro? We're only supposed to be here for a
No,
challenge.
they're on sale.
Okay.
I think I might do this because I feel like I can do a lot
How much
here
is
at your
that?
place. It's $14.80.
Okay. So we're at the toy aisle. I think I might get something from here. We'll see. Yo, I think this is a good one. Skateboard, $14.96.
Spark ski?
All right, so I think we got everybody's items. Thomas is gonna get a basketball.
Fans and friends of Parks Art, it is now time to customize the items that we picked out. Everybody kind of had an idea of what they wanted to customize as soon as they walked into the store. I hope you guys were able to see my item earlier. Wink, wink.
You should have the idea of putting your seatbelt on.
I went straight to accessories, and the first thing I found was a little backpack, and I went with it. So I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it. I had no idea. But I'm feeling really good about this one.
A few minutes later.
All right, subscribers, we are back in Parks Art's lab. He gave me full access today, so I get to use anything in here. I'm already looking around at some of the supplies, and I think I have an idea of what I'm gonna use, but this is what I finally picked up at Walmart.
I got a book bag. It's like a mini book bag with these like long straps. Anyways, I'm gonna use like the acrylic markers that Parker has and try and draw something on it. I'm not really sure what yet, but that's my plan.
I think I'm just gonna do some art on the bottom. I got some white paint, and we are going to change the whole bottom of the board. Gonna be fire. You already know I'm gonna get the dub. Yo, what'd you get for me? All taped up. Ooh, I still got it.
Ooh.
About to go paint this thing. So hard.
Question from a subscriber. Have you ever illegally spray painted something?
I don't think I have. Comment below if y'all want me to.
You're not funny.
I'll do it for you guys. I will do it for you guys.
Learn from the best.
I should have left the...
Question from a subscriber.
Another one.
How many feet of blue painter's tape do you think you've used since you started decorating customs? How many rolls?
Oh, at least 1,000 rolls.
Wow, that's a lot
I
of
mean,
painter's
I don't know how
tape.
much a roll is, but I've probably spent at least like $5,000 on tape my whole life.
Damn!
Guys, doing art with your friends is way more fun than being alone, so do some art with your friends.
Trust the process.
Trust the process. Have fun. Let's have fun with it, guys.
Bye bye, zombie.
Bye bye, zombie. I love Parks Art.
So for my idea, there's gonna be words at the top, but there will be a picture of two things at the bottom.
Wave. I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat flip with a bare face and a slick tongue. That's what she say. She look good. She a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average. I padded my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010 young LeBron James with the back. You the type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport. Cause the beat bounced to the cap torn. Feel like I live it fast forward, but I asked for it. Misfit got a quick lit on a crash course from the tattered garment to the tabloid. Spoke how I live it into existence. Might be ahead of myself, but the bank account did jump up a couple figures.
Are you done?
I think so. I think I'm tapping out.
Almost
How's it going?
done. It's going good. Trust me.
Phil? We don't know
Oh,
anymore.
we're just hanging out in the lab at this point.
You got me down again.
2 days later.
Alright guys, so we just finished the challenge a couple days later. Now I posted an Instagram picture. I'll show you the picture right here. Now let's figure out who won.
All right, so this is the first time I've seen these results. They've just been handed to me. I'm nervous because I was in the challenge, so obviously I want my item to win. So to announce the winner, I can say it's the person who tripled everybody's vote total. Drum roll, please. Parks Art.
I told you I was gonna get the dub. You already know I'm gonna get the dub.
That's terrible.
Comment below if I should give this away, guys. Guys, that about wraps it up. Oh, let me not show that. That's for my next challenge. I'm about to be doing a 24-hour challenge, guys, customizing shoes. So y'all stay tuned for that. But this is Parks Art. That's Philly D. And we're signing out.